Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Charm, and today our lesson is about word problems involving addition and subtraction. Before we proceed, I want you to prepare your notebook, your pencil, your eraser, paper, anything that you could use for writing. Okay? Let's have a review for a while. Okay, let's have. We already talked about addition without regrouping, addition with regrouping, subtraction without regrouping, subtraction with regrouping. And we also talk about properties of addition. We have order property of addition, we have the group property of addition, and the zero property of addition. Okay. Now these are the words or some of the words that you need to remember for solving addition word problem. Okay. So when you read the problem, when you read the question, there are clues there. You have the all together, both, and total. Okay, so please remember those words. Okay, next let's go to subtraction. These are the words or some of the words that you need to remember for solving subtraction word problem. We have left, take away, or less. Okay, so remember these words. Okay, so let's start with the word problem number 1. You can read with me. So Kate jug, there is Katie, 1,567 meters. Alan jogged 1,278 meters. How many meters did they jog all together? So, what do you think? There is a one-word clue in the question, the word altogether. As I have said, there is a clue. So, what do you think? Is it addition or subtraction? From the word altogether, you will know that it is addition. Okay? Now let's proceed to the correct process of solving the word problem. We have the number sentence, we have the solution, complete sentence, and of course the answer with a complete sentence too. Okay, the number sentence is 1,565 plus 1,278 equal to blank. The solution, distance run by Kate equal to 1,567 meters plus the distance run by Alan equal to 1,278 meters. Okay, let's solve the problem. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Put a 5 there and carry 1 on top of the tens place. Okay? Now let's proceed to the tens place. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Plus 1 is equal to 14. 4, carry 1 right there. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, plus 1 is equal to 8. And of course, 1 plus 1 in the thousands place is equal to 2. So, the answer is, the total distance run by them is 2,845 meters. So, the answer, the complete sentence, they jogged 2,845 meters all together. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. At a book fair, 3,879 visitors turn up on the first day. 1,675 visitors turn up on the second day. The question, how many visitors were there all together? All together again, so you remember the clue. So I believe it's very easy, right? So is it addition or subtraction? From the word altogether, you will know that it is addition. Okay, so let us go to the process. Number sentence is 3,879 plus 1,675 equal to blank. The solution, the number of visitors on first day equal to 3,879 plus the number of visitors on second day is equal to 1,675. Let us solve the problem. Let's start with the ones place. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Carry 1 there in the tens place. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Plus 1 is equal to 15. So 5, carry 1 right there. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Plus 1 is equal to 15. Carry 1 right there in the thousands place. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, plus 1 is equal to 5. So the answer is total visitors at a book fair is equal to 5,554. Okay, so the complete answer there is there were 5,554 visitors who turned up at a book fair. That is word problem number 2. Let's go now to word problem number 3. All right. In a factory, there are 7,352 bottles. 546 bottles break. Find the number of bottles which are not broken. So you all know that all the bottles are 7,352. Now we are looking for the bottles which are not broken. Okay? So we are not going to plus together, right? Because we are only looking for the bottles which are not broken. Okay? So definite that is subtraction. Let's proceed to the process of how we are going to do it. The number sentence is 7,352 minus 546. The solution. Number of bottles in the factory equal to 7,352. Number of bottle or the number of broken bottles is equal to 546. So look at the numbers, okay? We have 4-digit numbers minus 3-digit numbers. So look at properly how it is arranged. The ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, okay? So see to it that you arrange it properly. Let's start. 2 minus 6. Oh, can you minus 2 minus 6? No, we cannot subtract 2 minus 6. So what are we going to do? We need to borrow from the tens place, okay? So borrow 1 from 5, 5 becomes 4 because you borrow 1. So now we can minus 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Now let's proceed to tens place. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay? Now let's proceed to the hundreds place. 3 minus 5. Can you subtract 3 minus 5? No. So what are we going to do? We need to borrow from the thousands place. So borrow 1 from 7. 7 becomes 6. Now we can minus 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. And now 6 minus 0, of course, it's 6. So the answer, bottles which are not broken, is 6,806. So the final answer there is 6,806 bottles are not broken. All right? So let's proceed to word problem number 4. There are 1,842 boys and 1,286 girls. Look at the numbers. As you could see, there are more boys than girls. Again, there are 1,842 boys and 1,286 girls at the science exhibition, right? How many more boys than girls are there at the exhibition? Okay, as we're going to see the picture there, as you can see, there are more boys than girls. So are we going to plus together? The question does not ask you the total number of boys and girls, but we are asked how many more boys than girls. So definitely it is subtraction, right? So now let's go on to the process of the word problem. The number sentence is 1,842 boys minus 1,286 girls equal to blank. The solution. Number of boys at the science exhibition equal to 1,842. Number of girls at the science exhibition equal to 1,286. All right. So let's minus. Let's start from the ones place. 2 minus 6. Can we minus 2 minus 6? No. So what are we going to do? We need to borrow from the tens place. Borrow 1 from the 4. So 4 becomes 3. Right? So now we can minus 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Right? Then 3 minus 8, can we minus 3 minus 8? No. So we need to borrow again in the hundreds place. So borrow 1 from 8, 8 becomes 7. Now 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. And let's proceed to the hundreds place. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So a number of boys more than girls is equal to 556. So the complete answer right there is there are 556 more boys than girls. Okay, so there you have it, the answer. Let's move on to question or word problem number 5, all right? So word problem number 5. Betty saves 1,250 baht every month. Wow. And John saves 700 baht more than Betty. How much do both of them save every month? So definitely we are looking for the total money they save. All right, now go back to the John's savings. John saves 700 baht more than Betty. Okay, so definitely 1,250 baht, that is for Betty, plus 700 because John has more money than Betty by 700 baht. So before we can find the money together from Betty and from John, we need to find how much money does John save first. Okay, after we find the money that John has saved, then we can add Betty's saving plus John's savings. All right, so I hope you get that. So we have 3 numbers here to solve. Okay, let's go on to the word both is addition, right? So we need to plus Betty's saving plus John's savings, okay, as I have said. But we need to find out first how much money does John save, okay? So let's go on to the process. The number sentence is 1,250, that is for Betty, plus inside the bracket, 1,250 plus 700, that is for John. So we learned already that we need to solve for what is inside the bracket. Okay, solve the number first in the bracket. Okay, so we need to find first the money of or the savings of John. Amount of money saved by Betty equal to 1,250 baht. Okay, amount of money saved by John more than Betty equal to 700 baht. Okay, we need to plus that one. So 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 5 plus 0 equal to 5, 2 plus 7 equal to 9, and the answer is 1,951. So the amount of money saved by John, there you have it. We find already how much money does John save is 1,950, but that is more than Betty. Okay, so now we can class now the savings of Betty and the savings of John because we already find the savings of John. All right, so let's go to the amount of money saved by Betty equal to 1,250, but now you're gonna plus together, okay? So I hope that you can follow. Let's start with the ones place. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. So 0, carry 1. So 9 plus 2 equal to 11. Plus 1 is equal to 12. 2, carry 1. All right, so 1 plus 1 equal to 1. Plus 1 right there on top of the thousandth place, that is 3. So Amount of money saved by the two of them, both of them, by them is equal to 3,200 baht. So the final answer, both of them saved 3,200 baht every month. Wow, that is very good savings. All right, so that is question number 5. Now, before I proceed to question number 6 and number 7, this time around, you have to answer by yourself. Okay, so you have already your notebook and paper or pencil there to write on. I'm gonna give you 3 minutes to answer, but I'm going to just skip it because you can stop the video. Okay, as I read the question number 6, you stop the video, answer by yourself. It could be 3 to 5 minutes. And after you finish answering, you can play the video again and move forward. Again, when I show you question number 6, stop the video, read properly the question. If you cannot remember how to do number sentence, solution, answer, you may go back to the video. You can go back to the video and look at the problem number 1 to 5. But you cannot forward the video, okay? So I hope that you will answer correctly, answer properly, answer honestly, okay? So as I go on to number 6, prepare yourself. You may stop the video and answer in your notebook. And after you answer the notebook, you can go forward, okay? If you are not finished, don't go forward. Don't play again the video. Okay, let's go on to question number 6. 2,919 tickets were sold on the first day of an exhibition. 1,103 more tickets were sold on the second day than on the first day. How many tickets were sold in 2 days? So we are looking for the tickets for first day and tickets for the second day. All right? Because it's 2 days. So look at the problem properly. Tickets were sold on first day, and look at 1,103 more tickets were sold on the second day. Right? I'm gonna give you 3 to 5 minutes. You can answer by yourself there. Now you can, yeah, I help you already with number sentence. 2,919 plus bracket 2,919 plus 103. You know already how to do. So stop the video now. All right, I think you are finished there. You have done. So this is the answer for number 6. You can check by yourself there. So this is the number sentence, 2,919 plus 2,919 plus 1,103 in the bracket equal to blah. Solution, number of tickets sold on first day equal to 2,919 baht. Number of tickets sold on second day more than the first day equal to 1,103 baht. Number of tickets sold on the second day, we are looking only for the second day. Okay, that is 4,022 baht. All right, so number of tickets on the second day is 2,919. That's the first day. So 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 carry 1 right there. So that is 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 0 plus 9 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 6. All right. So number of tickets sold in 2 days equal to 6,941 baht. There were 6,941 tickets sold in 2 days. Okay, I hope you get the correct answer. So question number 7, the same thing you're going to do. There you have it. I do it already for you for number sentence. All you need to do is rewrite the solution in complete sentence. Okay? So the same thing, when you read this one question, stop the video, do by yourself in 3 to 5 minutes. After you finish, you can play again the video. Okay, number 7. Mary saved 1,832 baht. Her brother saved 420 baht less than. So that's minus, less than Mary. How much did they save altogether? So you need to plus Mary saving and her brother saving plus altogether. But before you can find the money of her brother, you need to solve first 1,832 minus because it's less than. Okay? So her brother has less money than Mary. All right? So that's it. Stop the video. All right, if you are done there after 5 minutes that you stop the video now, let's continue on the number sentence solution and answer. Okay, number sentence is 1,832 plus inside a bracket 1,832 plus 4 minus 420 equal to box. Amount of money saved by Mary, 1,832 baht. Amount of money saved by her brother less than Mary's mother equal to 420 baht. That's minus, all right? The amount of money saved by Mary's brother. Let's solve first. 2 minus 0 equal to 2. 3 minus 1 equal to 1. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. 1 minus 0, nothing there, that's equal to 1. So the amount of money saved by Mary's brother is 1,412 baht. Now let's plus amount of money saved by Mary is 1,832 baht. So let's plus 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 2 carry 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 right there is equal to 3. So the amount of money saved by them is 3,244 baht. Final answer, they saved 3,244 baht altogether. All right, so I hope that you've learned a lot. There are a lot of verb problems that we discussed. So please, you can go back for your studies. And thank you very much for listening. And see you again next time. Bye-bye. Good job. Right, so.